welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I will be taking you to the Tulum Beach Cafe, and it is a small trek from the Baga Creek, and this is quite an isolated beach as not many tourists come here since they don't know this place. So I'll be giving you a complete trek and giving you complete information of how you can reach here and how long does it take. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also do click on that notification bell to get notified every single time I make new videos, because I currently live in Goa and I cover entire Goa for you. I make videos on food, travel and accommodation. So let's start. So this is the Baga Creek. So you can actually have your car or your bike parked here. So if you're coming by four-wheeler, then beyond this there's no entry. So you'll have to park here, and if you're coming by two-wheeler, you can still manage to park a little further. We see some bikes going there. So this is a short trek. I mean, it's not too far. It should take us, I think, about 20 minutes to reach that beach. The only thing that really makes me sad is to see this much of garbage, which is just scattered all over the place. I think we as citizens, need to be more careful and also make sure that, we don't litter and keep our place and our surroundings as clean as possible. Especially when you go on the beach, you find so many plastic, mugs and bottles, everything just lying around. Okay, so getting back here, as you can see, there are so many local fishermen. This is something which is beautiful, to see if you're coming to the Baga Beach. Every evening you have these boats and there's fresh catch every single day. And this place here, as you can see, is Waikiki, and I've made a video about this restaurant as well. I've covered the entire restaurant, its menu, its food and everything. So if you haven't watched that video, do go check that out. It gives you complete information, and they have a nice sit out as well. So the beach beds here are for free, unlike some of the places on the Baga Beach where you have to pay, I think it's 100 rupees per hour. Okay, so the moment you reach here towards this end, you'll come across a little chapel. So this is the last spot where you can actually park your two-wheeler. You won't be able to park beyond this. So we go a little further. And then if you want to have a little detour, you can actually go from this side and go down the beach as well. So this place here is really cool for your Instagram photographs, and also for those who are into photography. During the sunset, you get some amazing clicks. Okay, so you have to head this way straight, and I'll show you everything as we walk along. So that is a very, very secluded beach where you don't find much of tourists and crowd. Let me just go a little closer and show you what it's like. So you can see these big boulders of rocks. And I'm not sure if you can see all the water sport activities that is happening on Baga Beach. So you have these parasailing as well. So let me just show you the view this side on my right. Okay, so beautiful, so lush green. So if you're someone like us who is a complete sucker for adventure, who loves visiting isolated beaches and destinations, then you should go ahead and follow our channel, because we give you complete information here from Goa. We do treks to waterfalls and isolated beaches and a lot of other fun stuff that we keep doing. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that bell icon to get notified. So this is what it looks like. Wow, so gorgeous. So we have some people who are actually heading back. So as we keep moving ahead, the path gets narrower and narrower. Yeah, that's a poisonous cucumber, I think. You can't eat this. Or if you know what this is, comment and let me know. Wow. The view just gets better and better and better. So you get to see complete Baga Beach from here. Honestly guys, my camera is not doing any justice of the beauty here. So I think from here, it's just a little further. And since it's just tucked away in nature, not many people actually come this side because, of course, they don't know about this place. But now that you're watching this video, I'm sure it's worth for you guys to come and check it out. There used to be a cafe there, but I don't think it is operational anymore. I think it is temporarily closed. But if you're coming there for the cafe, then I would highly recommend that you call them in advance for a booking and then come down. Wow. So the sun is almost setting, and let me just show you what Baga Beach looks like. This is so gorgeous, you guys. I just can't explain how pretty this is. It is quite humid. I'm sweating. Look at the way I am sweating. I'm drenched. So let's go. This is so beautiful. So from here on, you have to be really, really careful, because you know, you could actually slip and have a crazy fall. And if you're not wearing the right gear, then you can actually have a fall. So again, I wouldn't recommend this for the older crowd or even individuals with ailments. This, I think, you know, has to be done by the younger crowd. Wow. Let me just show you what the view is like from here. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so since I am shooting against, you know, since the sun is at this direction, so most of the footage that you see would be blurred. So I'm, you know, moving the camera towards me so you at least get to see me and, of course, the background. So we almost reached. We're just about 5 minutes. Let me just show you the place. So the cafe that you see there, that is the one. How gorgeous is this place? So you can actually walk right until the end of this, but you know, of course, wear your proper trekking gear or wear something comfortable, which is highly recommended, and then walk that side. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Let me just quickly stand here, take some time off to admire the beauty here. Wow. Okay, and here there is a skimpy kind of a bridge that we'll have to cross. And I think due to the rains, all of this from top had been washed off. So you've got to be a little careful if you are coming this side during the monsoon season. It could be a little tricky. So we cross over this and it should be on the other side. I am totally excited to see what it is like now. Wow. So normally on this beach you will find a lot of, you know, celebrity kind of a crowd who would come here, who just want to, you know, stay away from the hustle and bustle. And this is, I mean, why not? This is simply so beautiful. Check this out. Okay, so I've got to be really careful while I am vlogging and talking to you guys. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear what you think, and also do give me suggestions of any other places that, you know, you'd like me to cover, that you've heard about, or if you've been to that you don't see on my channel. I'd love to hear your feedback, and also let me know what you think about this particular video, and whether or not are you enjoying all of my other series of videos. Wow, this is so gorgeous. So I came down from that side. Okay, so here you've got to be careful because there is clearly no path, but you know, you'll have to be really careful when you're walking, and you know, making sure that your feet is placed at the right stone. Okay, so that is the cafe which is right there. So we've almost reached, and look at my condition. I am sweating. It's not very difficult though, but it is quite humid, and I think that is why I'm sweating. And moreover, I'm wearing black. Wrong choice, but that's my favorite color. So, and check out the sand here. Wow, this is, you know, so shiny. I don't know if it, you know, it's actually capturing in the camera, but it's so clean and really nice. And believe it or not, there is nobody on this beach except us. So it's totally worth the trek. Yes, Lan? Enjoy.
Help you come.
Thank you, baby. So you enjoying? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Did you check out the beach? Okay, so someone has been here before us. And this is the cafe that I was talking about. I think it should open sometime soon, as there's some work that is happening. And this is the private beach here. Wow.
There's a snake way that goes going to make the sea. Look, typhoons. Typhoons.
This is so beautiful. Okay, so this used to be the Tulum Cafe before. Cafe rather. Tulum, am I saying it right? Tulum. Okay. And so as you can see, at this point in time, there's work happening. You have, some helpers actually getting this done. And we have Cliff with us. So he owns this place. You can meet him. I'll be giving you his details in the description as well. So call him before you can head here. And this place is going to be beautiful once it's done up. So it should be ready from the second week of November onwards. So this place actually is beautiful, beautiful for your sunset. So do not miss it if you are in Baga. It's highly, highly recommended. And I'm giving you a tour of what it looks like before it is constructed. So, when you're here, you can actually see it in a total different way. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell icon, because I keep making videos almost on a daily basis from Goa. So until we meet again in my next video, bye for now.
Yeah.